Good afternoon, all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, May 14th. Looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and NQ. Okay, so a couple of things. Let's start with Righty. Righty ends with a perfect point of control, 13 for 13, second time this year. We all had one on March 18th. Last year, Righty had 4 perfect POCs. This is their second of the year. They go out with an afternoon rally high in G and a perfect point of control. They did hold their inside day down, and they never saw the opening after A. This was 2 beautiful shorts if you trade Righty at F and G's highs against the opening and the inside day down. NQ goes out almost with a perfect POC, 12 wide. They just missed a perfect POC by a couple of points. And that's it, 12 wide. However, big disparity today between ES and NQ. NQ, the Bulls go out with a 5-0 win. That's after a 9-0 win yesterday. ES goes out, the Bears winning 4-1. So big difference in our MGI throughout the trading day. ES not only goes out with the Bears having a 4-1 win, they go out with an 11 wide POC and an inside day. So they came back into balance on the daily, right? Monthly balance, weekly up, daily back to balance with the inside day. We'll see how they come out of it tomorrow. Volume not that good, only in the 50s. Range, ES's range or SPY's range, the 8th smallest of the year. Is that a precursor of what's going to come the summer? I hope not. But if we start grinding higher, that's a very strong possibility, okay? If we start going for all-time highs, that's a possibility. So still had some, and NQ's range was small also. I had a good A period, a very good A period. I actually shut down my personal account after that because we got all the staple plays, and you could just tell there was no energy in the market. That's another thing we talk about, how after each side maybe takes its shot, the air goes out of the balloon, the market's done, and that's it. And that's what happened this afternoon. That's important to recognize. And being in this room with a live webinar from 9:15 to 4 o'clock helps you see these things on a daily basis, and the repetition is great. I took a short, actually, in A period in NQ against value high right on the opening. Only made small on it and took it off. I thought maybe they would front run value high and yesterday's high. Not that I thought yesterday's high would be defended, but I made small on it. But then I got long to get the overnight highs. They got pretty aggressive in NQ. And I was long on some nice ebb and flow trades. I had out of 4 ebb and flow trades, I had 3 wins, 1 loss. And then I took a long against the overnight POC, which paid nicely. So A period's really good. But we couldn't take out A's high or low. We weren't one-time framing. So I did nothing until D period. Believe it or not, I took a short, which was short-lived against the 144, and I made 6 points on it, but then got out of it. Now, I did get the IB high in G, but it wasn't with my personal accounts, with one of the prop accounts, but that worked out nicely. And I had 2 nice longs in H and I. One, I thought H might be the afternoon pullback. I made money on it twice against that long. I could have made it 3rd time, but I didn't take it against A's low. I was looking to see if we did get the IB low to get both IBs, but we didn't. So I missed out on that. And in I period, I took the long to go back to our point of control, and that was it. That was it. Now, and ES got both overnights. But NQ only got the overnight high. So it was a good day for a quiet day. And again, there's still a lot of learning and educating on days like today. So again, we have an inside day in ES. Let's go to quickly the chart. There's not much else to really talk about. There's a lot of garbage out tomorrow morning with PPI, retail sales, unemployment claims, and Powell speaking at 8:40. So look, inside day. Now we're still technically one-time framing up for 5 days, but 2 of them are inside days, right? 4 days ago and today. So you can still call it, look, you can call it up to balance. If we take out yesterday's low, I'm not calling it down. I'm going to be using Monday's low as the balance low if that was to happen. And if we take out today's high, most likely you'll take out Tuesday's high and it'll be right back up to up. Okay? So the NQ is still up on the daily. ES is up to balance or balance, and righty is definitely a 3-day balance. 60 million on the tape, better than yesterday. We only did 59, I think, or something like that. So we'll see if that continues. We're 3 days above the 200, but again, that doesn't mean anything just yet, right? We want to get real good acceptance. Again, I wouldn't mind pulling back at some point to test that and then go higher, and then would give us better idea that maybe we firmly have acceptance and we go for the all-time highs. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.